This is the world's largest. It's the world's largest bee hive. It appears to me, anyway. Let's see. What do you think? Amazing. Wow. I think it's got to be like 4 feet across. Look at all those bees. I hope that doesn't fall down. Look at this. There we go. Look at the size of it. Beautiful Victoria. What do you think? Where's your frisbee? All right, go get it. Who wants to play catch? Well, what a pal! Okay, you can drop it? Oh, you did? Okay, get ready. Here we go. Who's gonna be the good catcher? Are you going to be the good catcher? Oh, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I suck. He's definitely a better catcher than I am a thrower. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we'll give it another go there, Bailey. Ready? Nice. Well done, Bailey. Very good. Oh, what a guy, eh? Do you like your frisbee? You gonna bring it closer? That's about as close as it gets, I guess, eh? All right. Short? Nice, Bailey. Okay. Long. Nice. Well done, Bailey. Well done. Nice. You like the sun? You like the sun? What is today? It's the 13th of September, 2017, Bailey! Okay. What a pal. What a pal you are. Where are we going, eh? Oh. I'm gonna have to get a steady cam. And away he goes down to the beach.